Blondie here again, showing you how I achieved a watercolour on this old, well not old but used wig. As I explained to you before, I'm all about showing you what you can do afterwards with your wigs. What I've used is just one colour from a door. I'm just basically putting that in the bowl, just put a couple squirts, it wasn't too much. I've mixed that in and I've just dipped the whole wig in. After that I've looked at the colour and says, as I told you before, I'm one of those, I just think on my head. I decided I wanted in the middle to be a darker tone, so I basically just took sections and just dipped it in to get the tone I wanted. As you can see there, I'm still dipping. I'm loving that tone. It's just coming out so beautiful. Then I came with another crazy idea. You know what? I think I might put a bit of blue on the end of it. Then I realised the bottle was empty, so I had to squeeze, well basically put water in the bottle, shake it up and drop it in. So as you can see, I'm rinsing it out now. Yeah, sometimes you just have to do what you got to do, and it was just a little bit, but as you can see, what do you think? I think I've done a great job on this one. I can't wait for it to dry. At the moment it's hair drying. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Hi folks, it's Blondie back here again, showing you how I restyled the wig what you saw me previously watercolour. Now I'm going to use my heated rollers. Yes, I said it, heated rollers. At the moment you're just seeing me just showing you how this used wig is so soft and delicate. Yep, watercolours come up. What do you think of the colour? Just one buckle of a door. No, I tell a lie, there was a little bit of a bottom one at the bottom. Here now I'm just basically sectioning, getting ready to just basically giving it a bit of straighten, put my heat protector on and just straighten. And now that's my heated rollers. I've got two, one Babyliss and one, it's a vintage one, I think it's around from 1980s. There, I'm just showing you there, and that's the other one is the Babyliss one. So I'm just straightening, and then each section I straighten, I'll put a heated roller on. And that's me now finished. And what do you all think? I'm just leaving that all to cool, not to dry, cool. Now I've taken them all out and rolling my fingers through. Absolutely soft and beautiful. And this is the end result. I hope you love it. What do you all think? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yes, I slipped up there onto my YouTube channel. And also follow us on Instagram at RevamP and Hair. And I hope you give your comments below and let me know what you think, because this is all new to me doing these YouTube videos. So it's my second one, so I hope you all like it, and just tell me what you think and I'll give you some more tips soon. Bye.